You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, or this name I should say, once and for all, correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, including from literature, stay tuned. English pronunciation here is as Winnie, as in Winnie the Pooh, which is probably the one you know how to pronounce, not whiny. Winnie, how to pronounce English pronunciation, Winnie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.